Hey guys, what's up? So Hunger helps you to regulate your cholesterol and help you reduce the blood pressure. That's a very important part of your fitness. So welcome to BodyProCoach. I'm Praveen and I've got Mehak with me. And we're going to show you something very special and very easy to make, a 15 minutes under recipe.
So today we're going to be doing something which is easy, healthy and really nice and yum to taste. We're going to be doing a Tandoori gobi.
Yo, that sounds so Indian.
Yeah.
Let's go for this.
A large mixing bowl, 1 cup of cauliflower florets, 1 cup hung curd, black pepper, Himalayan salt, red chili powder, soft ginger garlic paste, olive oil, sesame seeds, turmeric and a baking dish with silicone spoons. So we take the mixing bowl. We're going to first add cauliflower florets. They have been nicely washed. Next we're going to add hung curd. Now the procedure to make hung curd is you take a normal curd, you put it in a muslin cloth and hang it for about an hour and a half or 2 approximately. The water gets drained. After that a thick curd is left. That curd is known as hung curd. Next we add black pepper powder to it. Then we add turmeric to it. That's 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Next I'm adding ginger garlic paste. So I'm going for 1 tablespoon. That's freshly homemade ginger garlic paste. Just grind them together. If not, you can even take the ones which are processed. Then I have about half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of soft and a big tablespoon of sesame seeds. Once it's done, I'm going to mix the mixture nicely. Give it a nice whip and whip it nicely. So you're going to mix the mixture evenly. Then we add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's optional. If you don't want to use olive oil, that's completely fine. So once all of this is nicely done, we're going to take a baking dish and we're going to serve this on the baking dish. So on the baking dish, I'm going to quickly spread the cauliflower evenly and nicely. So I'm going to preheat the oven for about 10 minutes and then I'm quickly going to put the cauliflower. We're going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes on 165 degrees Celsius. So our cauliflower is done and it looks good, nice and golden. Yes. So guys, our Tandoori gobi is ready. I'm going to quickly taste this. Why? Because it's low calorie, it's highly nutritive and it's really easy to cook.
So true. Alright guys, so we've got 4 videos coming every week for you guys on the channel. You want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the ring bell button that you get the information on whenever we have a new video coming up. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.
See you soon.
See you soon.